Okay, so it's day 3 of puppies being on food. It's the day after Christmas, and they're 4 weeks old, and they are doing real good. They're still walking in the food bowl. They like to really get into their food, and they love chowing down. Oops, whoops, puppy flip. Oh, puppy flip. Here. Oh, we don't want any? Hmm? Oh, well, you find it on your own. Yeah, there's one. Paws in the bowl. Yep. Yep, paws in the bowl. Oh, yeah. They have Iam's puppy chow, and it's mixed with a little Nutri-Milk and little chicken broth. Yeah. And they also are having their first hot poopies too. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Oops. I had to take a pee break, potty break.